Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on AutoSave in Microsoft OneDrive on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the OneDrive app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are in, look at the top left or bottom right corner for your profile icon. Tap on it. In the menu that appears, choose Setting. Now tap on Camera Backup. This is OneDrive's way of automatically saving your photos and videos. Tap and turn the switch on. Your phone will ask for permission to access your photos. Tap Allow. From now on, every new photo or video you will take will be saved to OneDrive automatically. If you also use Word, Excel or PowerPoint on your phone, open one of those apps, go to Settings in that app, make sure AutoSave is switched on, and that's it. Your photos, videos and Office document will now back up to OneDrive automatically. And that's it. That's how you activate AutoSave in Microsoft OneDrive on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.